Hi, I'm Antonio Agustin, and now we're going to go inside a terrarium with poison arrow frogs. These are from Captive Bred Specialties here in Waukesha. Oh, right, that's right in your face there.
Welcome back, this time in a lush terrarium.
Ooh, nice jump. I'll turn off the narrator. I don't need to hear my own voice. Oh, this is cool. Gonna jump, someone gonna jump. Ooh. Oh, I can jump pretty far for little guys. Oh. Someone made it all the way to the top there. Oh, their eyes are so dark you can barely see them. Ah, you know, I know I'm supposed to be narrating over this, but this is just so cool. Got the bumblebee dart frogs, powdered blue leg dart frogs. I can't talk today. Oh, awesome.